Erica palm plant, one of the shade-loving plant and also permanent and low-maintenance plant. You can multiply them very easily by dividing. This plant you can skip regular watering if you have kept it indoors, because this is one of the best indoor plant and also one of the nice and looking beautiful house plant. So grow these plants outdoors and indoors both. Lucky bamboo plant, a beautiful decorative plant, indoor plant and also one of the outdoor plants. They prefers the semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight, and also you can grow them with stem cuttings. Very easy to grow plant because they are low maintenance and permanent. Ideal for a beginner gardener too. This is rubber plant. Rubber plant also one of the best house plants, one of the beautiful indoor plants, and their leaves are amazing looking. And this is another house plant which is low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them with or without fertilizer. Keep them in the shade if you have put them outdoors in your outdoor garden. Beautiful philodendron plant. They also grow in the semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight, one of the easy growing plants and also low maintenance, permanent, and one of the beginner gardeners plant. You can grow them easily from stems where the node is appearing. Put them in water to propagate or else directly in soil. Umbrella plant, easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent, shade loving plant and also one of the beautiful house plants. You can keep them indoors as well. A beautiful indoor plant because they are variegated leafy plants. Provide them a little bit of sunlight, shaded sunlight, because these plants need to be exposed to partial to medium sunlight for their variegation to grow very beautifully. Another beginner gardener's plant. Another low maintenance and permanent plant, one of the easy to grow plants and beginner gardener's plant. You can grow these plants from single leaf cutting and also you can multiply by dividing these house plants. One of the best indoor plants because they are air purifier plants. You can grow them without fertilizer also. Low maintenance and permanent beginner gardeners plants. Z plant, another beautiful leafy plant, a lucky plant too, and one of the beginner gardeners plant. You can grow them with a single leaf. And this is a plant that doesn't need regular watering to keep it indoors as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. One of the best plants for indoor garden and also beginner gardener's plant because very easy to look after. Aloe vera, another low maintenance permanent plant, belongs to the family of succulent and very easy to grow, and you can grow this plant with or without fertilizer. Very easy to multiply by dividing or else you can grow this with a single leaf cutting. So make sure you don't water it every day and keep it in the semi-shade. If you keep it in the very bright sunlight, you won't see the plant leaves turning yellow. So make sure to keep it in the bright indirect sunlight. So that is about aloe vera.